Daddy, can you make me an ABC song?
Apollo Jetson. Made the beat. Apollo.
Hey, you the apple in my eye and you knew it. Always got you on my mind, I can't focus. B, you beautiful and ignorance is bliss. I ain't never met a bitch like this. Oh shit.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Apollo Jetson, and I'm back again with another Behind the Beat video. This is episode 6. Behind the Beat for Nef The Pharaoh, ABC song produced by me, Apollo Jetson. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this beat.
Apollo Jetson. Who made the beat? Apollo, huh?
So the backstory behind this beat is pretty funny. So it was like a Friday or Saturday, or matter of fact, it was like a Monday or a Tuesday, and my boy D Money, he had to go to the DMV for some kind of license or some kind of registration or tags or something. I don't remember, but so he was gonna be in there for a minute. And I had my laptop because we was running around all day. I just flew in from Georgia to California, and I'm just in work mode, and so he goes into the DMV, and I'm like, I'm just gonna stay in the car. You know what I'm saying? I rolled the window down, got to cooking up beats. You know what I'm saying? And I made this beat in the DMV parking lot. And then later that day, I had a studio session with Nef The Pharaoh at Empire Studios that they just started building at the time. And I played him this beat, and he loved it. He was fucking with it. And then it was a wrap after that. We made this song, and I just thought it was genius, Shout out Nef The Pharaoh, you know what I'm saying? Real talented guy, man. He's a lyricist, man. He's a GOAT, man. Bay Area legend. You feel me? Vallejo legend. You dig? So, shouts out him for making a dope ass track. But yeah, so let me get into the beat, you guys. That's the backstory. So the first sound in the beat is a sample. That's pretty much how it goes. Just loops back. 2-bar loop for the whole thing. So this is a sample. I got this from some kind of French music kind of situation. I just found it online somewhere. Right? Just an interesting piece of music. And I sampled it about right here. As you can see, it's a lot slower. I just thought that part was so dope. Just that drop right there was just too hard. So I had sampled that. I cut that out in Edison. And I got this right here.
Apollo Jetson.
But that was too deep for me, so I pitched it up 2 semitones. And I was just vibing to it right there, you know what I'm saying? And when I pasted it out, see, it was this long. And all I did was I trimmed it, and then I hit time, and I stretched it to 2 bars. And that did it for me, Because in Edison, they have really great chops. You can chop something up real nice. Just listening to it, let it loop, and make sure you set the grid to 0 crossing, and it'll chop it up real nice and fine on the transients. You know what I'm saying? Like right there or whatever, or right here, wherever I chopped it at, and that'll get it nice and loopable. And then you just do the set to bars. So after I added that sample, I found out what key it was in, which is A major. So after that I added this bass line. You know. So I added that.
Apollo Jetson.
And it just bounces real nice off that. You know how that sounds. And then, so basically this was the intro bass, and also I used it for the verse bass, just to switch it up. I knew that I had an intro bass, but I wanted it to switch to an 808. So I added an 808. That's the 808. After that, I layered a kick on top of it. With a couple notes that were extra. But it's pretty much following the 808. Just to keep the bounce. Then I added a snap. After that, I added a hat. Just to keep it bouncing. Then I added a cymbal. Then I added a cymbal on the 1. And I also added an open hat in the pocket, just to give it an extra bounce. Then I added a little pocket snare. I call it a little pocket snare, pocket rolls, whatever. Snare rolls. That for me just gives it a lot of flavor. I really like that part of the beat. Then it just drops. Oh, and then after that, I added a lead sound, just to finish off the hook part of the verse. This is, and I didn't really quantize it. I didn't really quantize it at all. I don't even think I quantized it at all. Yeah, there's no quantizing in here. I just played this on the keyboard. And then that's pretty much it for that part. And then I just arranged it, an 8-bar hook, 12-bar verse. Kept it simple, you know. I got my tag in there.
Who made the beat? Apollo Jetson.
You know, as far as mixing, I didn't really do too much but level it. I took out some low frequencies on the main sample. You know, if this would sounds a lot thicker like this, I just took it out, made it a little skinnier for the bass to cut through. Snap, I added a little mid-range and a little high, leveled it. Hi-hat, just leveled it and put some crispiness on it, took out some low end. The bass, I added a little bit of top end just to give it a little more clarity. It just gives it a little bite. That's all I did. Pan this one a little bit. that little pocket open hat, and that's pretty much it, man. You know, simple beat, but just great arrangement and great melody and sound. You know, all the melodies together sound really good. Just bounces, you know. So yeah, that's the beat for Nef The Pharaoh's ABCs. You guys, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, because that helps me out with the ratings and stuff. So make sure you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate you for watching. It's your boy Apollo Jetson, and I'm signing out. Peace.
Kids Next Door.